the ripple effect of the way that you show up digitally has an effect that extends far greater than you can even imagine.
Yeah. Plus it addresses that problem we were talking about earlier of using digital stuff, and we say we're connected, but actually not. We're feeling alone and comparing.
Right.
This brings it into a real-time relationship,
right.
even in the moment.
Right.
Just that quick hello, I appreciate you, happy birthday.
Right. Yeah. And yeah, go ahead.
Would you say, you mentioned like one thing that might prevent someone from, because we're basically talking about appreciation, right?
Yeah.
How to appreciate someone and the power of appreciation.
Yeah.
And one thing that might prevent someone is, well, now they're going to want to talk to me. Now they want to go to lunch and I don't have any time and I don't really know this person. I don't even like them. So what's another barrier?
Don't be friends with them.
Right. What's another barrier to appreciation? Like why we have such a hard time just saying thank you or gosh, here's what I love about you. Like why is that hard for human beings, do you think?
There's a lot of different reasons that are popping up into my head. One of them is just in the moment. We've got so much going on that we've got a million different ideas and things that we want to do in every second that's just another thing to do. Mm-hmm. Right. We're already overwhelmed and so busy and overloaded that's just another thing to do. So we're thinking more from the lines of like, what do I want to do versus what can I give?
Uh-huh.
Right. So,
how can I impact someone's life right now?
Right. And that's, as we all know, that's so incredibly rewarding to do that. Mm-hmm. Together with the fact that, it takes time and thinking that the other person, won't really care or not even thinking about the other person. Yeah. I think that's probably really what it is like, we're not thinking about like that there's an actual other person here. So, someone writes a really inspiring post or someone dares greatly and they posted about it on social media and you're like, oh, that's, you're thinking to yourself, oh, that's really cool. Yeah. It literally takes 2 seconds to let that person know. And like clicking like is so freaking transactional.
Yeah.
Right. Like if something really touches you, post something in the comments, or like I really recommend give just an ounce more effort. Maybe it's a couple ounces and shoot them a direct message or a quick voice message, which will actually probably take you less time than typing something out. Yeah. Or if you want to be super bold, to send a video.
Yeah. Nice.